Back to my channel. I'm gonna give you a tutorial for doing my hair. Don't mind my brush, it's very dirty. If you didn't saw part 1, it is where I did my makeup and I'm gonna do my hair next. Okay, let me take my hair down real quick. There we go. And you can put your hair tie anywhere you want, even on your wrist if you want to. Okay, then you take your hair. My hair is very messy right now. Then you take it like this. You brush out real quick. There we go. There we go. So guys, how is your day going? My day is going great. I love my days. It's now spring break at my school. We have 2 weeks for vacation. Is this week that is coming in next week. Then I'm back at school. Then I can't do as much videos there now. So yeah. Do you guys love school or do you guys hate school? Comment down below if you hate school or love school. I love school because all your friends and stuff and all your teachers that you love is at school and at home. Do you guys have friends there where you are living? I don't have friends here. I'm alone. I'm the only child here in this complex here. So my dad is at work. And which sport do you love the most? I have two sports that I love the most. I love hockey and rugby. I I put some rugby videos on my YouTube channel. My rugby team's name is Harlequins. If you live in South Africa, you will know where that is. And tell me down below if you can speak Afrikaans. Because I can, because I'm South African. I'm gonna say some few words that is in South Africa. A trunk is a boot. And a bonnet is a hood. A steering wheel is a steer wheel. And the seat is a stool. So yeah. And the computer is a rekenaar. And the shirt, a t-shirt, is a hemp. And earrings is oorgootjies. I'm struggling with my hair right now. There we go. You can follow my steps if you want to. There we go. Then you take your hair tie and do like this. Then my hair is very thin, so I'm taking my hair 3 times. So then when you're done, you take your hair like this and you brush it out like this. I, I hope you love this video of doing my hair. If you want to come back for part 3, where I do my nails next. I love you guys, and I hope you loved my video. Bye, and please give me some likes. If you give me 1 like, it will mean very much to me. I love you guys so much, and always you need to pray before you eat and before you go to bed. I love you, and I hope you love this video. Bye, love you.